Hello everybody, so in this video I'll show you how to set up your default files and programs for OrCAD Capture CIS and PCB Editor. What you want to do is go into a folder, and sometimes you'll see like a .brd file for a PCB project file with no software program associated. So to solve this problem, you would right click on the software, choose Open With. Now this is Windows 10, Windows 7 will be a little different if you have an earlier version of Windows. Then choose More Apps. You want to highlight Always Use this app to open .brd files. I'm going to scroll all the way down to look for another app on this PC. Now I don't know why I get confused, but sometimes you just need to go into the local disk C folder, go to Cadence instead of Program Files, SPB 17.2, and then what you do is go into the Tools folder. Next, what you do is select something like bin, and then now go to where it says Allegro. This is the file or application that you want to use with this little green icon here. Choose Open, and then it will open the .brd file in Allegro PCB Editor. I don't have the full license, I have the trial version. Click OK. Retrieve the license, which is fine, but at least the software or file got associated with the proper software. So that is how you would associate a .brd file with the Allegro software so that that icon shows up. Just to show you again, go in analog.exe, Allegro, and that icon shows up. So now when you double click on the file, it'll automatically select, it'll automatically open the software that's needed to open that .brd file. That's how that works. So thank you for watching.